Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will walk you through the process of downloading the DeepSeek AI app to your Android device. Let's get started. Open the Play Store app and make sure you are logged in to your account. By opening the Play Store app on the home page in the lower right corner of the screen, you can see the search option that you will click on. Then on the next page, in the search field, you will enter DeepSeek AI and click on the search option. The app will open a new page where you will scroll down to the DeepSeek app in the drop-down menu and click on it. By clicking on the DeepSeek app, the next page will open where you will also scroll down to the install option and click on it. After downloading the app, the security system will thoroughly check the app, and if it is okay, it will automatically open it. And that's it! You have successfully installed the DeepSeek AI app on your Android device. Now you can explore its features and enjoy the help that AI is providing. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech guides and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.